Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training. You can contact us through the number that is provided on the video and also on the channel. Please subscribe our channel and like our videos. So we are looking into real exam questions. The one that we are going to cover today is this one, Westferry Road to Edmund Halley Way. Now, this is a tunnel question, so it is quite important that you practice this question. It has come in the exam quite a few times, and you need to practice because you can make some mistakes with this, and you will find tunnel questions in exams a lot. So this is why it's important to practice. So these are our points here that you can see, the green and the red. So we are traveling from the green point. So let's zoom in, and we need to see which way we need to go. So just click on this and then you can go straight from here, and from here we can go straight. This is a DLR, so we can go straight here and then come down here. So say on this side, this is the DLR line, so that's fine. So you just need to go straight, so keep going straight. So keep going straight here. So from here, we'll take this route and then we'll go up. Again, this is the DLR, so that's fine if you're touching that one, but don't touch the sidelines though. So we'll go straight from here. And then we can go up here and turn this way, and then in order to approach, what we need to do is we need to go straight here, then you go up, and then because this is a tricky part, and then you come down, and then you're going to be on this road, right? So we are now approaching our black hole tunnel. So let's come down here, keep stay on this side. So you can see that we are in the tunnel because of these lines, the broken lines that we have. So we keep going straight from here. Okay, so just follow this, going down. And then just keep going straight from here. Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out a bit. So our point is there, right? So in order to get there, what we're going to do, we're going to come out from here. So you can see that here we can come out from this, and then you come down, just follow this arrow, and then you can come on this side, and you can see that we are approaching our point. So keep going straight from here, and then just turn left and then just click on that point. So the main thing from here, let me just kind of focus on this one. This is the main thing here, because many people, they make this mistake that they try to come down here from this point. You can't, because you've got this bold line, so you can't cross that one. So you need to come here, go around, and that means that you are on the road which is below this one, so under this road, right? So this is how we are trying to do this. Okay, so just keep that in mind and practice as much as you can. This has been in the exam a few times, Yeah, so it's a tunnel question by since being in the exam. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and like our videos. I'll see you in the next video.